Okay, so now we're in the part 2 section. And what we want to do, or what I want you to do, is I want you to get the mean and the median from the data set. So I want you to get the mean and the median of the data set. So we know we can get the count here. We know we can get the mean or the average here. But this is the data set that we got. It's the exact same thing. So what's in yellow here is the exact same as time. So what we have here are some mice, and we clocked them to see how long it took for them to do a specific task. Okay, this is just made up data. So with that, let's go ahead and get the mean. So I'm going to put the mean here. Remember, mean of time taken. Okay. So in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and widen this a little bit more. Here's where I'll put my equation equals. Since it's the mean, we got to go with average. And I want the average of this data set. Click enter. The mean is 41. Wonderful. But what's the median? What's the median of time taken? So for that, I click equals and I do ME. That gives me the median. And I tell it the data set. Boom, 32. Now the power of the median is that it can tell me in very broad generalizations what is above the median and what is below the median. So I have two data sets here that I got very quickly and very easily. Once again, just because I'm giving you the mean and the median doesn't mean you have to have that in your data set. If that data is not valid, you don't have to do it. Next, I want to show you how to sort data. This is the data, which I literally can just copy this column and make another and paste it here. I can do that right here. So I'll copy and paste. Why am I doing this? Because I want to sort the data. I already did it. I have it here in yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and put this here. I don't like that it's to the right, so I'm going to center it. I'm actually going to center this entire column. All right, so I have this data. I'm going to come over here to data, and I can sort the sheet or the range. I'm just going to go with the range. And I can do it from, it can be in alphabetical order from A to Z, or it can be numerical. Let's see what A to Z does. Look at that. A to Z tells me, sorts them from lowest to largest. All right. And then if I do the opposite, if I select them and go to data, sort range, and I do Z to A, it's the opposite. So maybe I want to know how many I got in a specific median. So remember, the median is 32. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 that are below the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 that are above the median. And then we have our median value, right? So that's something that might be valid in your experiment. So what we've done, and what I want you to do, is to get the mean, get the median, and then sort this data from highest to lowest. That's part 2. Give it a shot. I also recommend, if you want, maybe go in and add the colors and the variation here, so that way you can make it more distinctive like we did in part 1. So try that out. Let's see how you do with part 2.